Nandito tayo sa Shepherd's Field. Gloria in Excelsis Deo. Dito po inawit ang kantang ito nung ipinanganak ang ating Panginoong Kristo. Campo de Pastore. Bethlehem Franciscan Shepherd's Field. At sa loob ay may simbahang Katoliko po na nakatayo doon sa lugar na kung saan ipinaalam ng mga anghel na dito ipanganak ang ating Panginoong Kristo. So pasukin natin ang lugar na ito. So dito na tayo sa Shepherd Field.
Once you finish, we'll go from that area. Okay? We'll go around this way.
No, ipinalam na mga angel sa mga pastol ng Kristo ay panganak dito sa Bethlehem. So dito ang mga pastol ng tupa. Sa gabing ipinanganak ang ating Panginoong Kristo na mahal na Birhen na Maria. At dito nakatayo ang simbahang Katoliko under the custody of Franciscan.
Evet. Belki mi abimecik? Olmaz tabii. Evet, amin.
Ito yung mga pastol ng tupa. Nandun po ang anghel. Ipinaalam na dito sa kahit sayang mga tao dinhi sa'yo. Diyos sa mga nagkakalaw sa So dito po sa lugar na ito, ipinaalam ng anghel doon sa mga pastol na ang Kristo po ay ipamanganak dito sa lugar ng Bethlehem. At dito po ay merong simbahang Katoliko na nakatayo under sa custody ng mga Franciscan.
சொல்லியிருக்கின்றார். 99 ஆடுகள் இருக்கின்ற பொழுது 100 ஆடுகள் 99 ஆடுகளை விட்டு காணாமல் போன ஆடு. அது நமக்கு பாடம். ஆண்டவர் இயேசு எழுந்து போனவர்களை, தவறி போனவர்களை, அந்த பாவிகளை
Ito po tayo sa cave na kung saan nakatira po yung mga pastol ng tupa.
அதே போல இந்த இடையர்கள் அவர்கள் ஆடுகள் சிதறி போகின்ற பொழுது அந்த ஆடுகளை விட்டு அந்த காணாமல் போன ஆட்டை தேடி செல்வார். அதே போல தான் ஆண்டவர் இயேசுவும் அந்த ஒரு பணியை செய்கிறார். அதே நேரத்தில் இந்த இடம் அந்த போவார் அவர்களுடைய நிலமாகும். அதன் பிறகு பழைய ஏற்பாட்டில் பார்க்கிறோம். இந்த இடமெல்லாம் அவர்களுமாக இருக்கிறார்களோ ஆகிய போல இந்த இடத்தில்
ثلاث مصادر هذه هناك
انا بقول بلاش راح ندخل ناخذ
وهلا حكاني
Please open the way for people to exit.
مرحبا يعطيك العافيه
انا قدام ايوه حكى معك؟ يحكي معها يقنعني ماليش انا هلا بتصل بقول له احكي معها بس ما انت عجبتني
مش هي اللي حكت، مش احنا معناها. خلص انا بحكي معها. هو قال له ايه احكي معها.
Okay. Pasok po tayo ito sa cave. Ito ang image ni Mary dito sa cave na ito. So ito po yung parang bahay ng mga pastol ng tupa. Ito po yung sa ilalim ng kuweba, katabi lang po ng simbahan. Yan po yung mga angels.
Cave ng mga shepherds.
Alright, guys? I know some of you here did not see the one that's in the back. There's a cave. It has statues or figures of the Blessed Mother, Joseph, the baby Jesus. It shows similar like the same cave as Jesus has been born. It's in Bethlehem. Now, these are natural caves. When I say natural caves, it means it's not a man-made. Nobody came here and carved the rocks in order to make caves. We are at the edge of the desert. When I say edge of the desert, it means people, nomads, shepherds, they used to find a cave. They would stay overnight, 1 night, 2 nights. If they have food for the animals, fine. They can stay for a week or a month. If they don't have water, they can stay for too long more. Until this will be finished, they transfer themselves. But those shepherds who stayed here, we believe that they were not nomads at all. They stayed here. And what we have here, it's a natural cave. But this cave, it is similar like the cave where Jesus was born. It's in Bethlehem. He wasn't born here. But they are just giving us an idea about how this was a cave or a stable. Shepherds, when they used to come here and stay in these caves, if I imagine that this part, the whole part, is not here, it means that opening of the cave is wide and big. And I said we are at the edge of the desert. It means those shepherds, they are always afraid of their goats and animals, that wild animals will attack them. They will eat the sheep. I said that each sheep can cost $300 to $400. That's why the shepherd, they had to stay at the entrance, to sleep at the entrance of the cave, and the goats and the sheep at the far end. You can see the cave, it goes like this, narrow because these are natural caves. If it is not natural cave, you see the whole size of the cave has the same size. But this cave, if I open the one or the wood behind it, I can reach the other cave. But the Franciscan, they close it to separate both caves in order to make masses. We need masses for groups to come here and celebrate masses. We have one mass here, one mass in the back. They have chapels down there. So we celebrate masses in the wilderness. This we call it wilderness. Now the time has come for the Blessed Mother to have a baby. And he was, Jesus was born in Bethlehem. They did not expect that. Some of you have asked me why he came, he was born here. It's not about how it's written. It's written from God that she should come to Bethlehem for census. They have to, because Joseph is one of the ancestors of David. We have David, he stayed here. David fought a battle with the Philistines, and the Philistines, of course, they were actually defeated. King David asked those soldiers, the one who has, go to Bethlehem, bring me water. He knew that they could not reach Bethlehem because they were undefeated people, the Philistines. Philistines, not Palestinian. Philistines, they came from Greece. Okay, now they came here. That's why Joseph has to come here to Bethlehem, the land of Judea, and to have that census here. But what happened is, at that night they arrived, the baby has to come. She has no place in the inn. They don't have any place in the inn. That's why the gospel says there was no place for them in the inn. So she had to give birth where? In a stable, in a humble stable. And then she entered the stable. The inn, it's a small motel. It's not here. We're talking about Bethlehem, okay? The nativity, where we're going to go. But I'm just telling you the story to keep it in mind that this looks like a stable. It is the same thing as Jesus has been born. It's not less than that or more than that. It's only a cave, a stable, where they keep the animals. She gave birth to Jesus. And of course the shepherd, as Sam had explained, they were seated here. The angel of the Lord appeared to them. They followed the star all the way. Now, because those are shepherds, maybe they have more than 20 to 30 head. We call them head of goats and sheep. This is how we call them, head of goats and sheep. Probably it took them half a day to reach Bethlehem. I can drive from here 3 minutes and I'll be in Bethlehem with my car. But if I want to walk, also it's going to take me maybe half an hour. Fine, 45 minutes. But long time ago, there was no roads, no streets. It's a mountain area. It's Judean desert. They have to go up and down and valley all the way until they reach the upper part, which is Bethlehem, the nativity, where the stars stop on top of the cave and announce of the birth of Jesus. This is a beautiful place. Of course, we have Christmas Mass here. Sometimes we do it after 3 days of the Christmas. So I think everybody took photos there, right? Yeah? Now, are
We'll
you-
sing a song. Gloria and
Yeah,
yourself.
we'll sing a song, and then we'll go straight to the mosque. We'll go straight to the mosque.
Lonely shepherds in the night, they behold a wondrous sight. Joyous choir on the flight, hear the songs of praise. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
So dito po sa lugar na iyon, inawit yon. Naawit na nasa banal na kasulatan.
Kami may last. Luge, ipakita ka na ako.